Is your phone running out of storage or feeling slower than usual? In this video, I will show you hidden Play Store settings that can help you clean up memory and improve your phone's performance quickly and easily. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store app. Then, in this page, you will find on above here the sign of your profile. So you will click on Profile. Then in this list you will find your email, and you will find here this page of settings. So you will tap on Settings. After that you will go to General, Account Preferences, Notifications. You will click here. And after that you will scrolling down until you find this window of automatically archive apps. So you have to click on this sign to turn on it in that way. As you see here, they say apps you use rarely will be archived when your storage runs low. So it's necessary to enable this sign. Also, you will find here App Install Optimization. Send data to Google about which parts of an app you use, making apps faster to install, open, and run for everyone on Play. So you have to enable it also here. You will click to enable App Install Optimization. After that, what you need to do is to go to Network Preferences, Data Usage for Downloads, Auto Updates. Here in this page, you have to enter to auto update apps like this, and as you see here there are multiple options, so you have to don't auto update apps. You have to disable this option, and it's better to update apps manually instead of automatically, because multiple auto updates at once can slow down your phone. So this is 3 options that you have to enable or disable them, necessary to fix the problems of updates on Play Store. So now you know how to use hidden Play Store settings to clean memory and speed up your Android phone. Simple adjustments can make a big difference in performance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Android tips. See you in the next video.